They hide their voices in the shadows of whispers. They forget that it is we who are the shadow. The bullfrog's loud voice betrays it in the dark of the night and makes it food for the viper. Did we beg to come, or were we invited?
Begged to come. Mother of the starless night, begged on both knees. They sought us out.
On their hands and knees they crawled. They begged and they crawled.
Did they have tears in their eyes when they crawled?
Tears like blood, blood like tears.
I will speak. I will speak. After all, what did the earth see that it will die? I have lived a lie. Even when I knew that the truth will not be hidden forever.
Were you a priestess, mother?
No, I was not. But my mother was priestess of the goddess of Libo.
I never knew this, mother.
There are so many things for you to know. Tonight, I will speak.
Sit down.
Mother, I just want to check.
Son, you're not checking anything. The circle
is still unbroken. No one can cross it.
What circle do you speak of?
You both are scaring me.
Are we not your mothers?
Oh, really? Let any harm befall you.
Mother, what really is going on? You both run into my house, our house, crying. Refuse to tell us what the problem is, and then you start with your story.
Then you sit down and listen to the story's end.
Then you will know who you are. Who your mothers are. Listen. And all will be made clear.
But
Listen. Listen. I was the calabash carrier. My sole duty since I was a child was to carry the sacred calabash, which represented all the problems of Igbo. I will have to do this till I found a husband.
Mother, she has been cleansed.
Daughters of the earth, may the blessings of the gods be yours.
Same. You dare not come closer, lest you incur the wrath of Olibo.
Son of a fable, you should know better. Today is a for market day, and no one except the bearer of the pain of Oligbo is allowed to be in the stream.
I know. I want to have a word with Uri.
Impossible. Leave now, before you bring a curse upon your life.
Curse? I shall incur. If the bearer of the calabash says so. Olomanklesi, Makandeota, Awoleke, you know that I will not leave until I speak with her.
Anyebu, does the caterpillar seek to die before it becomes a butterfly?
If it is that, that will suit the turbulence of the earth. So be it.
Leave us.
Uremma, you know Mother will not like this.
Mother will not like what she is told. Will you be the one to whisper unpleasant words into Mother's ears, my sister? Hmm?
We will not go any further.
Our eyes leave you not, for good reasons, Mother said.
They seem not to like me.
You know that is not true. They just don't want their sister to suffer more than she already has. Anyebu, Ofuebu, what do you want?
The way you wrap your tongue around my name gives me goosebumps.
Usebluwa made your tongue with honey because he knows I have a weakness for its sweetness.
Then why then do you hide away from that which your heart desires?
Desist! I have to go. I need to prepare for tomorrow.
I love you.
What do you want, Anebo? What do you want? Have you not taken enough? What more do you want from me?
I want to give, not take. I want to...
Give what? Give what? You are married. For 3 years, you left a hole, a void in place of a heart. I held on to my emptiness. Anyewu, go back to your wife. Let me mourn that, which was mine, but never mine.
I love you, and I will never stop loving you.
You have to do more than that. It's been 3 years. Please, let me heal.
Tell me you don't love me. Tell me you don't love me anymore, and I swear, I will never say a word like this to you.
Can I speak to you?
Can't it wait till morning?
No, it can't.
Gebechi, please. I am not in the mood for quarrel, Biko.
Am I carrying a signpost on my head that says I want to quarrel? Why don't you get up first and listen to me before you complain of the stench coming from it? Are you awake?
Do I look like I'm sleeping?
I just want to be sure. Anyway. Something is bothering me. Something has really been bothering me that I could wake up one morning and kill myself or eat the seed of witchcraft if that will make you stop all the things you're doing to me.
Gebechi, the more I try to listen, the more confused I am. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the witch that has tied you to her waist with jigida beads.
What is it with you and witchcraft this night? What?
I'm talking about Akalaka's cursed daughter, Uremma.
What has Uremma done to you?
What has she not done to me, Anebu? Is it until she buries me and my chi in a shallow grave that you believe the crack of lies that she has filled your head with?
I see you have nothing to talk about. Can I go back to sleep?
I have a lot to say, Anebu. I have plenty to say. See, tell her that I know all her plans to take away from me. It will not work. Tell her that I promise her it will fail. Tell Uremma that all her plans to take away from me, she will fail. Tell her.
The poor girl has no interest in you.
Which poor girl? The lies that she has made all of you to believe that she's a virgin.
Now you blaspheme. Watch what you say before Libo strikes you.
For telling the truth. Ah! I have all her story in my left palm. Tell her that I said all her plans to take away from me, she will fail. And tell her that I said she will suffer. Tell Uremma that I said she will suffer. Ah, Aniebu, tell her that I said she will suffer if she and her mother do not untie my womb where they tied it.
Ngebechi, if I had known that madness runs in your family, I wouldn't have allowed myself to be in your father's compound to marry you. I will not.
Huh? Where are you going to? Where are you going to? Is that what you're saying? Eh? Anebu, is that what you're saying? So you're leaving? You're leaving? Okay. Okay now. Okay, see what I'm saying does not make sense. Okay. We'll see now. Okay. Okay.
Who was this man? My grandmother obviously did not like.
You were obviously in love with him, yet you just said he was married. So what else did he want?
Which of the questions do you want her to answer? Let her tell her story. There's no time.
Mother, you keep saying there's no time, yet you have said nothing.
Let Ure's story be told first.
Annie and I had known each other long before he got married to Ngebe. Our love for each other was considered as ordained from heavens. Everybody was waiting for the day he would come and take me as his wife.
Must you come to visit me a day before every Odibo day? Eh?
I want to be the last man you set your eyes on before the gods visit and take you to your 7-day trance. Yes, I shall do the same until you become my wife.
I just cannot wait for that day.
A day that I've always dreamt of.
Desist!
I almost forgot they were here.
Same here.
Son of Ofwebu, it is time.
Can't I have a few more minutes with her?
Do not let the shallow nature of water delude you. Death lies within its bosom.
Oroma. Oroma, enough. When the teeth bites the tongue, who does he want to spite? Let him be. Son of Ofebu, you are blessed.
I shall wait. Roman Kresi, Awuleke, Makandeota, please do take good care of my bride.
Your mother, have you told her you have decided to ask for my daughter's hand?
Oh. My mother knows how I feel about Ure.
I like you because you are intelligent and hardworking. Your father was a good man. I did not ask you if your mother knows what to feel about Ure. My question is, have you taken her to your mother as your wife to be?
No, mother.
Good. Take her to your mother. Whatever she says is the gateway to my thoughts. That is all I ask for now.
Ngebechi.
That's my name, Urema.
Is the road suddenly too small for you?
What kind of question is that? Urema, was I caught stealing cocoyam from your father's farm that I am now obliged to answer that kind of stupid question that just came out from your mouth? Hey! Sacrifice of the gods. Urema, listen. I have not been staying here waiting to exchange words with you, Mba. I came to warn you. Keep that your coarse, filthy hands off my husband. Next time, I won't be this nice, so I will beat you. And I swear, nothing will happen to me.
And who is this husband of yours?
What kind of stupid question is that? Eh? If you provoke me now, I will start beating you this minute. Leave our neighbor alone. Is it by force?
I've been meaning to ask you the same question. Is it by force? Eh? If a man does not like you, or he doesn't want you, must you debase womanhood by bringing your whole community to beg him? Eh? Listen, if you are not worthy, you are not worthy.
Chineke, may leprosy eat that your mouth. May this your intestines that I'm seeing shrivel and die. Who is not worthy? Is that the lies Anebu told you? Hey, he doesn't say that to me. He doesn't say that to me when he mounts me, screaming my name, telling me that I, Ngebechi, is the sweetest thing that has ever happened to him. Whenever he mounts me, screaming my liar! I'm pregnant. And it's for him. It's for him.
You're pregnant.
Bianebu. I don't understand what you mean by you don't know that your wife is pregnant.
Whose wife?
Your wife, of course.
What wife? Nananya, Arumna Sompale. You better stop this rubbish. Hey! You can choose to call it whatever you like. Bia, hey, Rhoda, please tell your son to wake up from his sleep. Yes, because he will not bring shame to my family with that thing that's nagging between his legs. Hey, Nanya, Nengebe. Nengebe, do not provoke me. Do not get me angry. I am begging you. You are my mother's best friend. And that is where it starts and ends. Please, take your daughter home and ask her who got her pregnant. Because I do not know. I've already told my mother that I have no interest in your daughter. So please, stop it. Yes, okay. Hey, Jidiadia, look at me very well. Do I look like I came here to beg you to marry my daughter? Huh? I'm asking you. No. Take a good look at my daughter very well. Is she ugly or smelly? Huh? Gebechi.
Nemo.
Has any man touched you before?
No. Good. He's the only one, no. Twice. In fact, he was begging me and I refused. His mother here is a witness.
Hey, Nanya, my daughter get bad now. You better stop. Hey! Okay, we all die here.
Biko.
We all die here.
Biko.
Yes.
Biko, it hasn't gotten to that. Don't worry, we'll settle this.
The only settlement I want to hear. The only settlement I want to hear right now is that he is coming to pay my daughter's dowry.
That won't be a problem. It won't be a problem at all. We'll do that. It's
not a problem.
You will do what?
You
marry her. You pay her dowry.
Listen to me.
Biko, calm down.
See, listen to that. Oh, this is the plan. That will be forced to marry her. Is that not it? Eh? Mother, now I know why you don't want me to get married to Remam. Yes, your plan has failed. Dreamers! No, dream on. I will get married to Rema and there's nothing anybody can do about it.
This is your wife.
Me, I've already told her that I'm pregnant, and that you and I are getting married.
You did what? You did what? Madokage.
Catches that,
Catch who?
My son, that one.
Catch who? Hey, that one that runs faster than an antelope.
Don't mind him. He must marry her.
Without.
If I could see her, I wish to have a word with her.
And what would you say to her?
I want to explain all that happened.
Pregnancy happened, Aniebo. Pregnancy. What other story do you have to tell her that would change what it is already?
Go home, son of Ofegu. We have seen your harvest.
See, let's not be quick to conclude. If my friend here says his wife, sorry, your sister, she will explain to us what happened that led to...
Okobo! Shut up.
Anibwe, I'm trying to help.
You're not helping anything. Please. I wish to see her.
She does not want to see you. Go home.
I do not want to go home.
I am dying here. Can't you see? Please.
Your deceit has sealed our ears.
When words become too many, they lose their meaning.
Anye will go home. Our mother will soon be back. And if she returns and sees Urema's tears while you are still here, your kindred will suffer.
Ifugunian, Wefugia. Name, I believe you. An evil place. Let's go. My wives are still very young. My wives. Let's go, please.
And so he married her.
It is not the marrying that is the problem. How did she get pregnant if he detested her so much? As far as I'm concerned, he couldn't have touched her.
He did.
Jesus. How?
Apparently, there was something she wasn't telling you and your sisters.
I'm coming. Do you need me?
No. Stay with the children. Okay.
Let her be. Are we not your mothers? Would we do anything to hurt you? A mother does not rest, even when death stares her in the face.
Patience, yes. In due time, we will get your sacrifice.
So that was how he married her.
Baby, hold on. Mother, at what point did he touch her?
That's not important. Men we know will always be men. He must have at some point.
I don't understand. Why would you reason like that? Not all men are irresponsible. Some women are worse, you know.
And I don't know a woman who will make a...
Time is not our friend. This is going to be a long but short night.
Back to your question, son. He fought to win me back. He held a siege on our house and refused going until I spoke to him.
Should I do? Let him be. I should let him be. Is that what you said? Brother, Annie has been out there day and night for 2 days and you're telling me to let him be?
What do you want from an old woman, child?
See what love can do. See what love can do. See what love can do. You love me.
Release my son. Release my son. Why am I so leave my son alone? Come, let us go.
I stayed, refusing to go.
Aniebu. This one is very fresh. Aniebu ngwa. Aniebu, there is a very big problem. This thing that has made you refuse palm wine, it is not normal.
Okobo, please let me be. I am too weak for your jokes.
Who is joking? I am not joking, Aniebu. In fact, I am as serious as I was the day 3 of my wives told me they were pregnant. Ah, now you smile. Anyebu, can you now have the palm wine? You have smiled.
I don't want. Neither am I thirsty. I'll be fine if I see her.
If I were her, I would refuse to see you. Your mother told me what happened. But how come you did not tell me what happened? Eh? You were busy harvesting in Gibichi's farmland.
I have no knowledge of what they speak of.
I would remember. I would remember. Only if Ngebe allowed me touch that her succulent body. Oh.
Aneba, are you okay? Are you fine?
Sorry, I am fine.
We brought food for you to eat.
I am not hungry. My she is too far away to be hungry.
Then call it back home to eat.
I don't want to eat. I desire that which my she desires. Urema.
The aroma coming from this plate tells me that this food must be very tasty and delicious. Even my wives have not made my stomach rumble as much. We will eat it. In fact, we will finish it. Moreover, who amongst you made the food? That person must be a good wife. Okwamjia.
Please ignore him. He's under the influence of wine. I am not hungry.
My sister Urema says to tell you that she made it herself. And it's your favorite.
She made it.
Yes, she did.
Then I'll eat. I'll finish it.
We will eat. We will finish it.
But I am not leaving until I see her.
And if I allow you now, you'll finish it alone. Eh? Did I not meet you right? Hey, give me water, Biko.
Anyebu. Anyebu, get up.
Anyebu! Get up! It's not moving! Mama! Why, Mama? Mama! Mama! No! It's not moving! Can I help you? Anyebu! Anyebu! It's not moving! Okay.
Let him sleep and rest. When he wakes up, give him a cup of herbal mixture to drink. He'll be fine.
Thank you so much, Mother. Sleep, my love. Sleep. Is she truly pregnant?
So they say.
Are you responsible for the pregnancy?
So they say.
Don't lie to me. If you ever felt anything for me, please don't.
Alright. You know I love you with my life.
I know. And that is why I want the truth.
I would never lie to you. The truth is that I do not know.
What do you mean by you don't know? Did you live with her?
I wish it was that easy. What kind of pine one is this that I took last night? What are you doing in my room? Huh?
My husband, you're up.
Are you mad? Who is your husband? How did you get into my room?
You brought me here. In fact, you dragged me.
May the gods forbid.
Forbid what? What are they forbidding? You didn't say all this when you were riding me like a wild horse last night. Come back to bed.
Hey! If you don't get out of my room now, I will commit murder. Get out!
I'm not going anywhere.
Is he getting?
I'm not going anywhere.
Mad, come on, get out!
I'm not going.
Mama, please. Tell this useless girl to get out of my room now.
Yeah. Ngebechi.
Ne.
What did you do to your husband? Did you not satisfy him?
Mama, I did though. There's nothing I did not do to satisfy him last night. In fact, all my body is even aching me.
That aching will kill you. That aching will kill you. Mama, who is husband to who? Eh? Please. Tell this useless girl to leave my room now because I don't know what she's talking about. I just woke up and saw her on my bed. It's obvious she sneaked into my room.
Sneaked? You carried me, oh.
Is it You carried who? Do you want me to kill you?
Mama! What is it?
Mama, kill me. You want to kill me after taking my virginity? Look at this.
The evidence is there. Look at it.
Oh my God. It was a setup. He did not touch her.
Come on, honey. Don't be so naive.
I don't understand. Naive?
Well, apparently from what mother said, Anibu was drunk the night before from too much alcohol. And every man knows that alcohol and naked women do not mix.
So?
Well, it means he probably made the mistake of sleeping with her.
Oh wow. So now you are the judge to how and why men will cheat on women they claim to love?
You know that's not what I meant.
So what did you mean?
Echezona.
Ma?
Enough.
Do not twist your husband's words.
I did not twist his words. I'm only trying to make...
With both of you, rather that I end this story here.
No, Mother. Please, I would love to hear more about Aniebu's true love.
Nodim ene chiokeke.
Nemo.
A man does not speak with unbridled tongue in the presence of women, especially his wife.
Yes, mother.
Echezonam.
Ma?
A good woman and wife does not taunt a man who loves her willingly without prompting, which is mistake.
Yes, Mother.
I'm sorry. I did not mean to disrespect you.
I know. I'm sorry too.
The night waits not for a man whose thoughts have deprived him of sleep. Because he knows that the day will surely break. Aniebu's was confusing. Yet, it has not ended.
And you do not remember touching her?
I sincerely don't.
Is there something you're not telling me?
Yes.
Nah, you're back. You're welcome. So how did the wedding go?
Mama, it went well.
If you call the union of two ugly people a good thing.
Okobo. Why you?
Why you again? Eh? Do you want me to lie to your mother? Mama, it was the worst wedding ever attended.
Kizoto.
Do you know we could not eat their food because the meat was rotten?
Okobo.
Am I lying? Even if I lie to myself, I can't lie to my stomach.
Which means you're hungry.
Mother, to my best friend, I am fainting.
Well, that will not be a problem because I just finished making a very delicious egusi soup with otarapo. Let me bring some for you.
Thank you, Mama.
For a man with 3 wives, you are drawn to food like flies to a corpse. Gonna have one. Are you able?
Hey, your food is there. Well, pass to your friend.
What's in
Mama, why is Okoba being served first before me?
Don't worry, your own is coming. Now enjoy yourself, eh?
No, no, like a canny. I've only chede.
Welcome, my husband.
Yeah.
That is all I remember. I'm sorry.
Please, don't. What is this plague that the kind-hearted priestess of Olibo knows that has brought fear to her heart? Tell me. Give me one reason why I should free Anyebu. Because your mother, who gave you life, said so. Nengebechi, good morning.
What is good about this morning is what I am yet to know.
I don't understand. Is there a problem?
I was actually heading to your mother's house to see you one-on-one.
Well, thanks to the earth, you met me here. I ask again, what is the problem?
You are the problem. You have decided to be a problem to my household and my daughter's family.
And how has she done this, if I may ask?
My mother was not talking to you.
If your mother accuses our sister of anything, she has accused us too.
It is okay. I am here and I can speak for myself. Please, what have I done?
Number one, stop deceiving yourself that Anyebu will marry you. It cannot happen. If it happens, then the earth will know death.
You dare threaten the daughter of Olubo with death?
You dare spew forth venom from your cursed mouth?
The foolish looks at death and call her a long-lost friend. Tread carefully, daughter of Akalaka. Your mother needs to tell you all you need to know about fear.
Enough. We will not start the day with quarrel, and we will not end it with quarrel. Nengebechi, I am listening. What is the next thing?
I know. I know what you have done. We know what you have done.
What have I done?
You are the one responsible for the inability of my daughter to be pregnant in her husband's house. Whatever you have done, wherever you have tied her womb, untie it. Else, you will regret it.
Is that all?
Yes. Do not say I did not warn you.
Agadi.
You dare mouth a name that existed before your umbilical cord was formed?
I do not care about your name, when I was formed, or what the name means. You spoke, and I listened. Now, you have to listen because I also have something to say. Whoever told you that Anyebu asked me to marry him? should have also told you that I declined the offer. But now I ask myself, was that the right answer to have given him? What if I decide to change my mind? What can you do? You deceive your daughter into thinking that I am responsible for her inability to conceive for Anibu. Now let me make it clear here. I am not. I do not need to deprive her of children to make Anibu mine. No, and you know that. So, give your daughter peace. Let her enjoy her husband's home while you stay in yours. I am not your problem. And trust me, you will not want me to be.
You did what? You called her what?
It's just a name. You called her...
And you decided to call her same. Do not seek that which does not seek you out. I forbid you from seeing that man again. Say one word about him, and I will let death take me.
For months, I kept away from Anibu. He did everything to reach me, and I did everything to avoid him. A year later, some weeks to Libo festival, my mother, who had been sick, died. The villages that made up Olibo town stayed up all night at the Olibo River, praying for my mother. Men and women, old and young.
Nemo! 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 Nemo!
Few months after my mother's demise, he came back.
Who came?
Anibu.
What did he want?
He came to ask for my hand in marriage again.
That guy never gave up.
No, he does not.
So what was your reply to him?
What other reply could she have possibly given? Grandma already told her no before she passed on.
But grandmother was no more. What was your reply to him, mother?
I love him. And no matter how hard I pretend that I can live without him, I can't.
And you think the best is for you to accept him? Become a second wife? Go against her mother's wishes? In her wisdom, she knew that you're treading on the wrong path, even though she liked him.
I do not like him. I love him. And if marrying him will make him happy, that is what I will do.
And Olibo.
You or Roman Kerese can take my place. I have already discussed with mother's sisters and they have accepted. I have done my part for Olibo. It is time to do something for myself.
She married him? I mean, you did?
Yes, I did.
And Ngibechi, what did she do? Her mother?
They could do nothing. All our neighbor needed was my consent. He packed into his new house and left the old one for his mother. Kebechi cried every day for 2 weeks after I moved in.
That's really sad.
Yes, I thought so too.
Can I have a word?
Have you come to mock me or gloat?
Which woman in her right senses will mock another who is forced to share the love of her man with another? Which woman will gloat because Oseblewa gave her the privilege to share the love of a man with another? Listen, I will be foolish not to respect you for making a man and a husband out of an Igbo. And I promise you, I will respect you as the first wife and the senior wife if you just accept me.
He doesn't want or love me. You are all he has always wanted. Maybe I should
Go where? No, tell me. Go where? If our husband, Aniebu, whom you claim does not love or want you, truly doesn't feel anything for you, do you think you will still be under his roof all these years? Did he not make you happy? Did he not eat your food all these years? Did he not till your body day and night all these years? Did he not make you moan in ecstasy? Did he not whisper your name while wrapped in the throes of passion from your valley of pleasure? Answer me. Men will always be men. And women, women. We will always love, whether rightly or wrongly.
You are a good person. I am very sorry for judging you wrongly. My mother told me...
Your mother did everything a good woman who loves her child would do. It is understandable. But now, we are in our husband's house. And together, we will make it work. We will make it work.
That was a dangerous move because even if Ngebe had accepted you, her mother would never let peace reign in that house.
She tried, but Ngebe sent her away and warned her to keep away from us.
I bet that did not go down well with her.
No, it didn't. But there was nothing she could do about it.
Wow. That is so beautiful.
Yes, beautiful. Until mother probably got pregnant with me and then jealousy turned into full-blown hatred.
No, it didn't. Because for 2 years I too could not have a child. It now dawned on us that the problem was not from us but from our husband.
Oh, but mother, if Anibu could not, for 2 years you were not pregnant and Ngebe was not for 5 years or so, who then is my father?
Another bridge will cross very soon. For 3 years, Anibu became depressed. His 2 brothers in the city had 4 children each. The man I loved had become a shadow of himself. Coming home drunk every day. He had become the topic of every joke. I now decided to go to Agolo and see my mother's sister. She was also a seer.
Death, bondage, amonsu,
witchcraft,
the darkest of the darkest,
from the brink of life after. He is living with a curse, bound with a promise. A promise that can only be broken by the one who made it.
What can be done?
Nothing. Except...
Except what?
Where is his mother? She alone can speak for him.
His mother passed 4 months ago.
Then, his fate is sealed if Agadu is no more.
That name again. My mother once mentioned that name, but she was very furious when I repeated it. And she never told me what it meant.
You know more than you're supposed to know already. My tongue has spoken more than its fill for the day. Your mother, my sister, was only trying to protect you from the unknown that you had no business knowing.
Is she a witch?
Did my tongue mouth those words?
No.
Did his mother have any favorite animal?
Oh, Yes. A cat. She had a cat. And that cat was always with her. But when she died, he never saw it again.
The old wise leper from OZORKWOR always said that men are quick, though, to remind him of the parts of his body that are missing. None can tell the number of the teeth he has except him, for he counts with his tongue.
Ogini, what is it?
My leg, oh! Snake!
Hey! And it is their chair to come by. The chair to come by. Oh, Mendo. Wait first. What do you need? I want to suck the poison out first. Oh?
Hey! Oh, it's dark already.
Hey. And my husband will be so worried.
Hey, it is too late for you to go back to Nollywood today. Hey, forgive an old woman with her problems. Huh?
No, you are not a problem. And don't worry about it. My husband will just assume that I spent the night in my auntie's place.
I am so grateful.
For what, Nne? No. You would have done same.
You think so?
I know so. My spirit is always at peace with good people.
Such purity is uncommon.
Ne, let me quickly make something light for you to eat. I saw some things I could make oshikapa with.
Okay.
You go.
Thank you. Oh. The day brings hope to the night.
I was worried, since I know it was a jealous place. I knew you probably decided to stay.
So why were you still worried?
Huh? You know how Aglo men like women, especially beautiful women. I don't want them to like my work. Achoro mi acho. So, how is the old woman?
She's fine. Her granddaughter came before I left.
I see.
Have you eaten?
No. How can I eat when my two wives are missing?
Two wives missing? How? Did Nkebe not come back home last night?
She did not.
Eh? What do you mean? I don't understand. Did you go to her mother's place?
I did. The whole place was locked. I knocked and no response.
Something is wrong. It is obvious. Let me quickly go to her mother's house and check again. Then I can check some other places.
No. See what will happen? You need to rest. You're just coming back. Make some food. Let me go back there and check for her. If I do not see her, then I have to inform the elders.
Hi. Okay.
Take care of the house, Amabia.
God forbid.
Did he find her? I mean, your husband. Did he find Ngebe?
No, I did.
Who is there? Who is there? Who is there?
What happened to you? Eh? What happened?
Lord, she died. Who killed her and why? Anyebu. He killed her and hid her body in the bushes.
Why would he do such a stupid thing?
He never loved her. She has been a burden from the onset.
And so he killed her and dumped her body behind his own house? And it was far smarter than that. Somebody else definitely killed her.
No, he didn't. She was not dead.
Yet, death visited.
Yes. Death visited.
Now, you two confuse me.
Who can tell me the story of creation better than the creator, Oseblowa himself? None. So let the owner of the story speak her heart's feel.
No one killed her. She opened the doorway to death.
Who did this to you? What happened to you?
No one did anything to me. My chief failed me from birth.
What do you speak of, my sister? Talk to me. Let me get water and wash this blood off you.
No need. The heavens and the earth bore witness to the evil done to me and said nothing. I will carry this blood to shame them for failing me.
What happened?
Yesterday, when you left for Agolo to see your mother's sister, I also decided to go to OZORKWOR and see a man I overheard some women talking about on Nkwo Market Day.
Do my eyes bother you, my child?
No, Nam. If the eyes are truly the gateway to one's soul, then yours are pure, for they see not the evil of the world.
Honey, sweet words to melt an old blind man's heart. Your heart is heavy. You seek words that will give you peace. You have gone too far apart from home seeking for solutions, but you never found. Heartbroken you have been from words spoken by great men who were supposed to give you a succor.
Yes, Nam. Promises they made, but none of their promises came to be. My withered tree remains withered, though my home is the great river my husband loins refused my seed.
Disappointment everywhere. You come to me.
Yes, Nam. For they say, what Ojisi cannot solve, no other Dibia can.
I see all that which the Dibia saw. But fear no man nor spirit, for I am both. I will speak. Do you want the good news or the bad?
The good. It will suit the bad.
Your heart is pure, though born from impurity. I see a child born in your husband's home. With his name? A boy. But it's not yours.
Ure.
Maybe, if they let her. For she is also wrapped in that web of witchcraft when she agreed to marry to your husband.
Witchcraft? How? Where?
Ask your mother. I cannot tell her story than she can tell it.
I said I should ask my mother what she did to my womb that has made me barren.
The gods forbid. A mother will not do that to her child.
So I swore. He told me she would deny it. Then he said I should have her heart in my hand before asking any other questions. Her heart. Cat. He claimed my mother is a witch. And her cat, the cat I grew up to realize is her heart. Her essence, that she would do anything for me if the cat's life is in danger.
Please don't do this. Please don't do this. Don't do this.
So it's true. You!
Please don't kill your mother. Don't kill your mother. Don't kill your mother. You kill your mother. Oh, you kill your mother.
Next, we slit the cat's throat.
Please don't. I will, please wait, I will confess, I'll confess.
Speak!
I've been married to your father for 4 years without a child. I know why. Before I got married to your father, I was in love with another. He got me pregnant and denied taking responsibility. Yes. Rhoda, your husband's mother, took me to Onitsha where I had an abortion that destroyed my womb. When I realized that my husband's family were about chasing me out of my husband's house, I ran to Rhoda for help. Please, my daughter, don't allow me to tell this story. Please don't allow me to tell this story.
Silence, do you wish to die a horrible death? Talk or you die. Talk!
Oh God, hold on.
Anyebu's mother
Abortion. Can't. Where is this story headed?
The story has not started yet. Yet you think it's too long. She then told me she cried to Anibu's mother, who then took her to another woman who promised her that she would have children if she should join a sisterhood.
A sisterhood? Or witchcraft?
Sisterhood. So they call it. She joined with a promise.
What promise?
And what did you promise them? Please, don't lie.
They said, I will show appreciation if children come.
And what was the sacrifice?
That if I ever had a female child, that I will give something from her as a token. I was worried. Rhoda said it wouldn't be something that I couldn't give. That she did pass through the same process and was gifted with 2 sons and another on the way. So I agreed and joined. A month later, I became pregnant and had your brother. A year after, you came. I was scared because I knew they would come.
So did they come?
Yes, they did. 14 days after you were born for their gift.
And what was the gift they wanted?
Your womb. But I refused. I refused. They laughed. They laughed and left. 2 days after, your brother became sick. A few days later, he couldn't walk anymore. I gradually watched my own son die slowly. I had to run to them for help. They said, my son, we only live on one condition. Give them your womb, or I watch my son die. Give birth to another that would die at birth.
So you chose my womb. My womb!
I had no other choice. Because your father would have thrown me out if he came after I had died.
And you could not give your life for your children. Sons!
I would have, but I couldn't. Who would have taken care of you? Your father would have married another woman. I did this. I did this for you and your brother.
Everything you did for yourself. Forced me into a man, even when you knew I could not give him children.
blamed the curse you placed on me, on others.
I was trying to help Rhoda.
Rhoda? How?
I'm sorry. Rhoda, please, I'm sorry. I've said so much. I've said so much. Don't.
Help our mother-in-law how?
Our husband is his mother's gift to the mothers, as they call themselves. His seed she gave to them so she could have other children. He can never have children. That is why they fought with everything, so he would not marry you. Because they feared you would break the curse.
Hey! The earths forbid. Hey! Witchcraft. Witchcraft.
Akade. Old ones. I did not understand what that meant until such a time when old one, witches are said to be old as time itself.
So, Anib's mother and Ngebe's mother were both witches, and they had given their children as gift sacrifices to their coven. That sounds crazy. That is so sad. Why would any good mother do that to her own children? No child deserves that.
If only we could carry the burden of others for a day, we would come to realize that ours is an anthill compared to the mountain most people carry.
Mother, are you seriously making excuses for what those women did to their children?
No. But does the fish mock the river during the drought?
What happened to Ngebe's mother?
Ngebe's body.
Jesus! She killed her mother.
No. She killed a cat, thereby killing a witch. I'm sure I would have done worse. That woman did not deserve to live.
Why do you say so?
Mother, why are you talking like this? Even the Bible made it clear, suffer not a witch to live.
Exodus 22:18. You must not allow the sorceress to live. King James Version.
Thou shalt not suffer the witch to live. Christian Standard Version. We know.
I need to tell you something.
I need to tell you something too. See, I went to Ngebe's mother's house and I met a crowd outside. I went into the house. I saw that she has been murdered. Yes. Somebody murdered her yesterday night. I'm afraid that the same person that murdered her is responsible for Ngebe's disappearance. Ngebe might be dead too.
Ngebe is alive.
How did you know that? Is she back home?
Yes.
Where is she? I need to tell her. I need to
tell you something first.
Should I cry? Laugh at my chief for allowing all this happen to me? Or should I just tell death to make do with what is left of this carcass? For there is nothing left. I am dead already. Where is Ngebechi?
She's in her room.
What happened?
When I got to Ngebe's room, I met her in her own pool of blood. She had taken her own life by cutting her wrists.
Jesus! Oh my God, why?
And the people refused to bury her because she took her own life. A sacrilege in Nollywood. They carried her body to the forest of the deities and left it there. Her mother was buried.
You did not tell them her side of the story? That woman Agatha was a witch.
Who was going to believe us? The shame of adding murder case to the problem we already had in the family. We couldn't.
So what happened next?
The events of the next few weeks changed all I knew about life.
How?
My husband and them went for a family meeting. An argument over who was going to represent the family in a meeting with a political group came up. A young man called Obidike offered himself But the elders wanted my husband Anibu. Obidike became very angry. Obidike called my husband impotent. A man who could not satisfy two women sexually or make them have children is not worthy to represent a family as large as theirs, he said. He accused my husband of killing Ngebe.
How?
He said she died of broken heart and frustration. My husband cried all night and day. He became a shadow of the man I had loved. I watched him fade. And I knew I was going to lose him. So I decided to go back and see my mother's sister in Jele. I beg her to help me.
What did she say?
The same things she said before. That my husband and him will never be able to have a child from any woman.
So, Mother, have we gotten to the bridge where you tell me who my father was, since obviously Anibu couldn't have children?
Yes. So, from Ijele's house, I went to see the old woman.
The same one that was beaten by a snake?
Yes. And look at my face. I told her that there was trouble. I told her everything. I poured my soul out to her. After everything, she smiled.
Smiled?
And asked me to come back the next day. I got up before the cockerel. I told my husband I was going to see the old woman. She was already dressed and waiting before I got there.
It is said you wish for a child, one to call your own, a reason to praise the Creator for the benevolence of life.
Yes.
Yet, you know that your husband is bound by a curse and makes his sin worthless. You have been told that his mother paid her debt to her covenant with her son. A debt that must be paid from every seed that comes from him. Lifeless they will become even before they know.
Yes, I was told.
Leave him You have been told, but you refused.
Children in dozens, you would have had. If you had married another man, you have been told.
Yet, you are headstrong and refuse to accept that he faces that which fate has dictated for his chief. You have chosen to tie your chi to his at the crossroad where death and dissolution hold sway.
You are willing to swim in the murky water of endless shame.
I refuse to accept a fate that has not been dictated by Oseblowa for my husband, Aniegbu. I love him, and if it means dying with him childless, so be it.
Yet you are here, begging and believing your tears will sway us to break his cause.
And I will beg the devil, if need be. I will beg those who mock me for being childless, just like you all are doing right now. Did I not serve the people of Olimo by carrying their sacrifices yearly just to cleanse the earth of plague? Did they not enjoy bountiful harvest? Did they not enjoy long life? Where are those people today? Where is that deity that I served? My mother served him. My sisters paid obeisance to him. Where is he? Silent. He is silent. If this is the fate that Oseblowa has dictated for me and my husband, Aniegbu, so be it. This is the last place I will ever go for help.
In a few weeks, they reluctantly accepted with the urging of my newfound mother, Aziza. In a few weeks, I was with child. Your father was overjoyed. Had never seen him so happy. Months later, I gave birth to you. Our joy was endless. Your father fulfilled. You gave him a reason to live again.
Mother, what were the conditions? What conditions did you insist on that they accepted? And please, don't tell me to wait or be patient. I have done enough of that.
Why did you ask me?
Don't say anything. Do not. I have sat here patiently for hours listening to this long tale. Now, with all due respect to our mothers, I have heard enough. The only thing I have been able to pick out from all of this is that Aniegbu is my father. Every other thing is shrouded in secrecy.
There are no secrets you will not have a key to after tonight.
Okay, so then, let's start. Let's start with the promise that my mother made to some strange woman, because I do not want to be a victim of my mother's desires like my father Aniegbu was.
Baby, stop.
Stop what? Stop? When it is obvious that my mother is refusing to tell me things about me that I need to know, about her past, and I'm sure that you also want to know why our mothers, who can't stand each other ordinarily, have suddenly teamed up tonight. No, mother, no more long stories. No more long stories or bridges that are too far off or non-existent. Stop. I want to know everything now. Well, since there's nothing more to say, I'm off to sleep.
Hey! Son, come please. Please come back.
Please. I'll tell you everything. Just sit down, please. I beg you. I'll tell you everything.
My sisters, my daughter, willing to selflessly give her life for others, has agreed that we help her. I echo her thoughts through my voice. I plead for life in her womb from her husband. I plead for 4 years for her husband instead of months, as decreed by other covens.
What do we placate her husband's mother's coving with? For her husband's life, a life for a life, the river that lost its fishes cries.
Her womb. No other child shall come from her womb, ever. Osebulowa, bear witness. The heavens bear witness.
And the womb.
The womb. What womb?
We all know her womb is not supposed to bear a child. The first gift is to extend her husband's life. The coven needs to be compensated for revoking their purse.
True word. Her son, when he becomes a man and ready to marry, whoever he chooses will die a week after their marriage.
Jesus! You did what, brother? You did what? Jesus! Is this why you were so against my marrying Echezona? Because you knew that your witchcraft couldn't touch her?
No, then stop. Why do you talk to your mother like that?
Mother? My so-called mother just confessed to being a witch.
I'm not a witch.
So what do you call all that you have just said, if not the confessions of a witch? Amosu! Wait a minute. Today makes it 1 week after our court wedding. Is that why you are here? You came here to kill my wife! Never! Mother, never!
Shut up! What do you know about pain or sorrow? What do you know about feeling helpless? Like you've been abandoned and forgotten by God. Endless tears with no shoulder to cry on. Don't be quick to judge your mother. Don't you dare.
Mom! What has come over you? Did you just hear what she said? She intends to kill me.
today. She just confessed to being a witch. A witch.
Witch. Witchcraft. If she's a witch, then I'm a full-blown witch. Our stories are one. And same.
My husband, your medicine is ready. When it cools off, you drink it so that I can massage your body with the okuma before going to the market.
Ekedima.
My husband.
Of what use is the ocean's salty water to a man dying of thirst? My wife, please rest.
Ikem, please do not bring dark clouds to our clear skies this morning. I beg you.
I'm sorry if my words are not pleasing. What is the truth? I have become a burden to you. 5 good years. 5 good years you have wasted tending to me.
Stop it. Ikeduru, I said stop it. Must you mock me? Must you mock the love I have for you, or that which you have for me? Have I ever complained? Ikeduru, have I ever complained of being your wife or taking care of you? Have I?
My husband, Ikeduru, and I had been married for 6 years. I met him when I had gone to the river with my brothers, who had left me behind, saying I was too slow. After they had left, I decided to swim a little, since no one was around. That was the last thing I remembered. The next time I opened my eyes was to see a smiling, handsome man looking down at me. I found out later that he had saved me from drowning that moment. I knew I had found love. A few weeks later, he came to ask for my hand in marriage.
I said yes. My mother was reluctant, but later accepted. He took me to his mother's brother in Abo, who he said trained him in school.
You didn't tell me he's a native doctor.
No. He's a traditionalist.
A gifted one.
A blessed day to you, Father.
A blessed day to you, Father.
Bless you, my children. Gifted by a father who knew the roots and herbs, and a mother who knew the language of the spirit. You're welcome, my son. You brought this beautiful butterfly that has stolen your heart.
Again, Uncle, nothing is hidden from you. She is...
Does one climb a tree of a fruit he cannot eat? Leave her name. She's a good child. Her heart is pure. She will make a good wife. And her love for you is unequaled. But if you turn your back on her today, no one can love you the way she does.
The gods forbid. Uncle, that is why I brought her. She is the woman I want to marry.
You cannot marry her.
I don't understand. What you said.
Do you seek to teach an old woman how to salt her meat? All I have said about her is true. You can't marry her.
Why? Why did he say Keduru could not marry you?
Baby, please. Could we not skip the real issue on ground? The woman you call my mother just confessed to being a witch and has plans to kill you.
And mine just says she might be one.
Might? Mine already confessed. What else?
Then let mine confess too. Let me hear her story. Is that too much to ask of husband of mine? Mother, go on. Why did Ezeko say you could not marry his brother's son?
But the gods, my daughter, you have not offended me in any way. I only seek to protect my son from shame, and you from heartbreak.
How? Nai, how? I love her so much.
And I love him with everything I have.
I know.
But you insist I shouldn't marry her. Why?
Because she can never have a child for you. An unbreakable curse hangs all over her. If you marry and live with her, automatically her curse becomes yours.
I was broken, but he refused to give up.
He insisted we must marry, no matter what. My mother took me to so many places for answers. They all saw nothing. Ikeduru persisted in his quest to make me his wife. My mother brought different types of herbal mixtures for me to drink. None worked. Few months into the second year, I married Ikeduru. The worst happened.
What happened?
My husband climbed a tree to pluck a mango for me. One minute we were smiling. The next minute, I heard him screaming as he fell from the great mango tree. I watched him lie there lifeless. I was frozen and shocked. My chi whispered into my ears that moment that my world had come to an end.
Death is far from your son, woman. He lives.
So why are you crying, my daughter? Awaji said he will live.
Yes, he will live.
Can I see him now?
I need to tell all of you one thing before you go in there. That young man will live, but he will never make use of his legs again.
You mean my son is crippled? My son, who I trained till he got up to this age without any scratch on his body, is now crippled. Hey! My womb has made mockery of my sacrifice. Oh. You are happy now. You are happy now.
If I say I told you so, I'll be mocking you. Because to mock your husband is to mock myself. What do you want me to do for you?
Nai, please help me. Please.
I want to. But I can't. But your mother can. Because she has the answers to all your problems.
How? Is she responsible for what has been happening to me?
You want to ask if she is a witch? She is not a witch. No. She is not.
Then what answers does she have that will help me?
Where is your grandmother?
She died a long time ago.
So your mother said, ask her again. Ask her what killed your grandmother and where she was buried. If she is able to tell you and show you, then your problems are half solved.
Who told you all this?
Is that important? Mother, where is my grandmother's grave?
Your grandmother is not dead.
I do not understand. I thought you said she was dead.
So I was told all my life. Until that moment.
Yes. You have a grandmother. I am originally from Agolo. And my mother still lives there.
Why did you lie to me all these years?
Because she didn't want me to marry your father. Shh. I don't know how to explain it.
I want to meet her. Please.
It's okay.
Yes, Udoga Ogo, your mother.
I told you earlier she couldn't make it because she wanted...
Yeah, she had to take care of your husband. That's true. I forgive an old woman. My memory is no more as it used to be. Your story is sad and long. Only if your mother had listened.
You told her not to marry my father.
Ah, she told you? That's true. But did she tell you why?
No. She couldn't explain it. But why did you ask her not to marry him?
Witchcraft. Yes. See, your father had been married for years without a child. Met your mother and asked her to marry him. She was in love. She said yes. I saw beyond what she saw. I saw a hateful and revengeful heart in his first wife, who knew she couldn't have children, yet she held on. I warned your mother, but she wouldn't listen. I let her marry him.
Why? If you knew it could affect her.
I had another way to protect her and the children she will have for your father. I told her, she accepted. But immediately she married him, she turned against me, cut me out of her life. And now, it has happened, just as it was predicted.
So Mama Nuku was a witch. My father died on the same night of the same day that she died. Ene, is there anything I can do?
Not me. I am not a Seblowa, the creator. But I will ask the sisters to intercede on your behalf if you want.
I want, Ene. I want. I beg you, help me, Ene.
You don't have to beg me. You are my blood. All that I will always have for you are blessings.
Thank you.
Babe, why did you just walk off and leave us downstairs?
I'm tired. I've heard enough. I don't even know how I feel right now. I honestly don't.
I understand, but those are our mothers down there. Please.
Listen. My head is full. I am so confused. I don't even know what to expect anymore.
I totally understand. Our mothers are down there crying. Why not stay here? Let me go bring them up. At least let's hear the remaining part of the story. Please, I beg of you. Please.
No.
Thank you.
She was always talking about her granddaughter she would want me to meet.
And she was also talking about her adopted daughter she wanted me to meet too.
And now we have met.
Please hold on. What exactly is going on here? Are you saying that we are also members of her coven of witches?
Baby, please wait. So you two know each other? You have been friends?
No.
Yet you're in the same coven of witches.
They are not witches. We are not witches. What they are intercessors for women plagued with such problems as ours. We may never need to go back to the circle except on an emergency. So we could never have met.
But you could pledge the woman I married. Isn't that witchcraft? Is that not witchcraft, mother?
Like I also pledged the man that will become my daughter's first husband.
Jesus! Mother!
Bagam! Church Albasa! So, the deal was that my mother would kill my wife and you would kill me.
It was not supposed to be her. The idea was for the worst of the worst of people. Their sacrifice was to serve as their penance for the sins. For many years, I tried to force Angelica on you. She was a perfect sacrifice.
I never had anything against her, although I really didn't like her. But she was a hardworking entrepreneur.
You may choose to call her that. At 15, she had her first child with her cousin. She ran away from the village to avoid the shame she brought upon her family. She ran to NWAOKOYE, went to a maternity home, had her child, sold the child, and joined a notorious armed robbery gang that caused havoc in the East. She was known to be bloodthirsty and ruthless, and that gave her the name OZORKWOR, the blood of the devil, at 19. The gang was rounded up by the police and executed. She survived and ran to Port Harcourt and started the business of prostitution. She struggled until she met a witch doctor that gave her a charm that was prepared with the heart of 3 newborn babies, which she used to entrap a white oil worker that gave her everything except a child, until he died and left her with everything he had. At 23, she started the business of exporting young girls to Italy and other parts of Europe for prostitution. She was so cold-blooded and diabolic until she was chosen.
Jesus. Why do you stand and watch that which is happening happen? Why do you act like we have no past? Why do you choose to call that which we had nothing? Did we err to give ear to your yearning? Why have you chosen to be silent when screaming is the only answer? Or do you choose to mock me?
No, mothers. There is a reason for everything. Why would anyone dare to call a feast of the dead and not come?
What reason? What reason do you have that you spit on the faces of your benefactors?
Have I ever disrespected you or our agreements?
You have answers to the questions you ask. Do you wish to mock us or scorn our dark hearts for listening to your plea on behalf of those who were supposed to be food for daughters of the night?
No one has denied you anything yet.
And no one will. Your words you gave for the both of them. A pledge they made for gifts they got. And now that the time has come and they dare stand against what is rightfully ours.
You lost weight.
Mother, you are just impossible. I know I was with you 2 days ago, and I know what you forced me to eat.
And I know you don't eat well.
Well,
That's why we are worried and we are anxious that you should settle down, find someone. Who will take care of you?
Mother, you're right, and I totally agree with you. As a matter of fact, she's here. The girl I told you about, that I want to marry.
She's here.
Babes!
I'm coming.
Alright, hurry up.
Good evening, Ma. The symbol on my forehead. How?
It's a symbol from the sisterhood that you're not to be touched by any witch. For you're a gift of mercy to a woman whose womb failed her.
That was the reason you didn't want me to get married to her, because it would be difficult to kill her.
I also did not want you to be with my daughter. I saw the symbol too. The first day you also came to see me, I knew it wouldn't work.
Never will work. But will my son listen? No. Me, I don't want to lose my son. No.
Then what do we do? Eh?
Maybe we should go back to where we are gifted from. Maybe we can find solution there.
Maybe.
Come in.
Mother.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Angie, what are you doing here?
The drought, I said, deprived me of water, and blesses with thirst. Then the rain came, filling the banks of the river, quenching my thirst, and seeking to drown me with its waters.
What do we do?
We will have a word with the sisters.
What did they say?
That since both of you were bent on being together, there was nothing we could do. We pleaded with them to give us more time to find a way out.
And?
They gave us until she became pregnant to solve the issue.
How?
The two governments involved said we have to give up our children. Or
what?
First of all, they said 12. Then the sisters pleaded and they now said 6.
6 what?
What else would a coven of bloodthirsty witches want? 6 people.
And you agreed?
Yes. You had no option.
You had every possible choice. You could have stood your ground, gone to a church.
They are getting agitated.
You see why I said we had no option?
Take this. You take one. I shall take one. In 2 days, they will come to take your children. When they come, swallow the pill. It will give you power to protect your children. They will come back to complain to me. Leave the rest to me.
Then I will know what to do. Your powers will be greatly heightened because of your background as a priestess. Do not be afraid. Leave the fear to me.
Daddy, we hear you and we are ready.
Ready for what? Mother, you're going nowhere.
Stay here.
Daughters of favor, why welcome us with such reproach when you should be thankful? We have given you light when we are darkness.
You wish for us to rejoice when you have come to take that which gives us joy.
Mercy, mothers. Do not make our wombs grieve. Like one that has never enjoyed the joy of motherhood. Take us instead. Let our blood refill that which you've lost from your river of blood.
take my life for my sons.
And mine for my daughters.
Good mothers. Your breast drips the milk of love, even though you have walked through the path of darkness. You have encircled the house with the essence of the NWAOKOYE, the wrath of the witches. And you offer your lives too, just to protect your children.
Yes. Take it. Willingly we give to you.
No!
No! No! No!
Then there is nothing more to say.
Let the earth, the sea, and the heavens bear witness.
The seed of perdition. You swallowed the seed. You are prepared.
No one touches our children.
Take us and leave our children.
No, no, no!
Then we will all die here.
No one needs to die here today.
Mother!
Who is that?
That must be Mother, leader of the sisterhood.
The viper was once accused by other animals of being poisonous and evil. The viper said to his accusers, "If I am evil because I have poisonous fangs given to me by OZORKWOR, the creator, then the lion is worse. Not only that it has its big teeth, it rips to pieces its prey and feeds on them. The elephant destroys trees, farmlands, villages, and people on its path when its rage gets hold on it." "What of the crocodile?" the viper asked. "The crocodile kills you for merely stepping into its muddy waters. Even when it is not hungry, it watches you die in pain without lending a helping hand. And then when you pass on to the afterlife, the vulture summons a feast on your carcass." Humanity blames the Creator for all our problems, while we are the problem, because we have thrown away the greatest tool and gift He has blessed us with, which is love. And so, before we accuse any other of being evil, let us ask ourselves, how pure are we? Agadi ekwenka watowa. It is only a fool who will refuse to pay obeisance. What you have been promised, you will receive. No one will deprive you of your meat. None.
Mother!
daughters.
You want them to take our children?
Did I say that? Your word you gave me.
Our words remain unbroken. On the aftermarket day, you will call a feast and we will answer.
What word did you give them?
Nem. Which feast do you intend to call on our market day?
The seed is planted. It is done. On Afro Market Day, the Ekwe will herald my rebirth onto the legendary hills of Duru Maduru. My mothers, if a child is told to go to that line that divides two great rivers, and he is warned that none from each must mix with the waters he will bring, has he not been told to embrace death willingly? That is a crossroad my two daughters have found themselves.
A witch's heart does not bleed in pity for a supplicant who has failed to fulfill his promise to the coven it pledges to.
Our hearts bleed so that men would know that we are created by Osebuluwa to thrive on darkness and blood.
You will tell your children to remove the roots of the Anunwebe tree they put around that house, or we will pull down the entire house on their heads.
My daughters will do everything to protect their children.
Like every mother would.
They would even offer themselves instead.
Then we should willingly accept what was offered willingly, and that which was promised.
Which, if you ask an old woman whose wisdom is history itself, I would say it is not enough.
How do you mean?
Why settle for the blood of younglings, whose immature blood will bring you no satisfaction? Or their mothers, whose blood lack wisdom and power?
We are at the river bank. Its waters filled with fishes. What else do we seek?
Larger river with bigger fishes.
And where is that river?
Sitting right here. Facing you. The wisdom of old I offer you. Powers unblemished. Leader of the sisterhood that stands for all women. Deity in human form I have become. Death fears me. For my chi was given longevity by Osebuluwa himself. I willingly offer myself to you. in place of those I love, like a good mother should do.
Willingly, we accept.
Who will be leaving?
Are you still angry with me?
With us. You both mean the whole world to us. We are sorry. Please forgive us.
And you both mean everything to us too. We'll never be angry with you.
Rise. May you never be plagued with anything that will bring you to your knees. Rise. Please. And we ask for your forgiveness for not telling you sooner. We are sorry.
We have decided to go to our grandmother. Tomorrow is Afo.
We will come with you.
Are you sure?
Yes.